as you can see, before even you complete the word, we shall have some options. Opportunities Africa scholarships, Opportunities Africa. You click it, open your Opportunities Africa. When you open your Opportunities Africa, as you can see, this is your Opportunities Africa. Let's have a tour of the page. This first section has the latest funding opportunities. In here, we shall not have the jobs, but this first part lists the grants, some fellowships that might have some trainings at the end of the day with funding. We shall have scholarships, because scholarships are also funding for education. Then so on and so forth. Next section that has latest opportunities for Africans on YOA. As you can see, fellowships. In here we have jobs as well. They are listed. This list of 18 recent opportunities. Before you go to pagination, then you can continue and so on and so forth. You can as well join our WhatsApp groups using this link. We also have another link up there. Another link up here. When you click there or there, takes you to our page that has the WhatsApp Telegram groups, and you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram channels. As you can see, that's our Twitter page. Follow us on Facebook as well. Then some other recent jobs will be listed after that. Going back to our homepage of the Opportunities Africa platform, you can see we have a home, grants, global opportunities, includes those opportunities for people in Europe, USA, outside Africa. And we have fellowships, fellowships, not the ones of church, but we have scholarships as well, jobs, awards, and everything. As you can see, UNHCR jobs, RSC jobs, International Rescue Committee jobs, World Bank jobs, UNESCO jobs, USAID jobs, UNDP jobs. You can as well contact us if you want to submit an opportunity. Contact us. Go to contact. Under contact, we have our email right there, and the number you can use to reach out to us. Yeah, that's that. This is a page. You see the ads. Then we have the right and WhatsApp. You can as well reach out to us via WhatsApp. You can turn on our notification, as you've seen. Whenever we post an opportunity, you receive a notification via browser. Going back to home, this is home again. We are going to take a tour and open one of the opportunities. Maybe, let me see, which one should I open here? Let me open Commonwealth Foundation grants for civil society organizations. As you can see, yes, we have some ads within the post, because ads is some way we are trying to stay afloat and earn. But don't fail to send us a donation if you wish, if you are appreciating the work we are doing. This is how an opportunity flows. Application for Commonwealth. I'm not talking about the opportunity, I'm just talking about how it flows, in case you are trying to apply for it. These are ads. These are video ads. Let's see. Google ads. Going down, Foundation 6. Go on. When you're trying to apply for an opportunity, please look out for the eligibility. Ensure you're eligible for this opportunity. Don't just apply. Ensure you're eligible for the opportunity, and ensure you are in the right country that this opportunity is for. Then you also look out for the benefits, as you can see. Then we have the eligible nations: Gabon, Kenya, Lesotho, Eswatini, Malawi. Then we have Americas, Guyana, Jamaica, and so on. Asia, we have Malaysia, we have Cyprus, we have Kiribati, and Pacific. Then United Kingdom, Australia, Pacific. Then you cannot apply for a grant as a lead applicant if your organization is registered in one of the nations specified by an asterisk in the list. Please be aware that while organizations registered in these nations are not able to apply for a grant as the main applicant, they are still allowed to participate in the project as partners. Those are some eligible things you should look at before you apply for an opportunity. As you can see here, they're giving eligibility, read through, ensure you understand. They're saying the applicant must be an eligible member of the Commonwealth Foundation and be a not-for-profit civil society organization. You must understand the eligibility criteria, and even you can further it by visiting the actual website that lists the opportunity, the foundation organization. Yes, most of you don't know how to apply. You keep on asking, where can I click to apply? Where is the form for application? Right here, it is always under, below the opportunity. You have to scroll down and then find it at the end of the opportunity. Click it, will take you right up to the organization listing the grant, the funding, the opportunity, then apply. As you can see, there's an apply button right there on your right, or you can still go down to read through. When you read through, you can decide to apply or not. When you click apply to open the funding, the page with the application link, as you can see, accepting application from 18th September, so meaning it's open. There is 22nd. And then read through and see how to apply, then do the needful. Apply. Going back to our home page, I wanted to also talk about the right hand side bar. You can close that ad. There's a right hand side bar that summarizes. It has a search bar. This search bar, on the phone view, you'll find it after the opportunity. This is when you search for anything, you know of something and you want to look for it. Maybe you're looking for YALI, you're looking for seed capital, you're looking for grants, you don't know where to find them. Use the search bar. While browsing using a phone, that search bar is found at the bottom below the opportunity. Please always scroll down there to look for it. In there, we have listed recent opportunities, as you can see. After the ad, then going down, we have an ad. There's an ad there, not mind it. Then we have grants here. Grants, the recent grants that are listed on our platform. Going down, okay, the mobile version. I wanted to show the mobile version. And we have jobs here, as you can see. Jobs, the most recent jobs. That's a mobile version. Mobile version. And going down, yeah, these are the search items we searched for when we put in that tab US Embassy. Yeah, always search. The search icon is at the bottom always after the opportunity that you've opened. That's where it is when you search for it. I continue to tell everyone to continue following us. Go to Google, look for Opportunities Africa. Go to our website. Remember that we are Your Opportunities Africa. Turn on your notifications on YouTube. Like our video so that everyone who is on YouTube can see it. The more you like the video, the more it can be shown to other people. Don't forget to follow us. Join our WhatsApp media groups, Telegram channel. We have a Telegram channel. Join these channels and then follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. That link can be found on the home page where you've seen. That's where you can find the link that leads you to this page that has our media pages, media groups, or social media groups. Okay, that is us, Your Opportunities Africa. Thank you for listening. Turn on the notifications and wish you the best in whatever you're trying to apply for. Thank you. This is us. Yep.